Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can see the poll in Messenger. So, I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So, if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Messenger app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your group where the poll is. So I'm going to be going with this poll, and okay, now you can see there's a message which says view poll, and you just click over here and then you'll see the poll that is created in the group. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.